friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Jalapeno and onion pickled eggs, as I call it, huevos en aguachile, that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious pickled eggs, let me show you. The water is boiling. I'm going to add my eggs. I am going to cook for 15 minutes. Let me tell you, you want to add your eggs when the water is boiling. And now, these are the ingredients we are going to use to make this amazing and delicious aguachile de huevos. This is how I call it. Of course, in English, it's pickled onion with egg. And now I have 2 purple onions. These purple onions, we are going to take the skin off. We are going to slice them through the center and then slice them one more time. And we're going to slice them nice and thin, really nice and thin. The thinner, the better. The thinner they are, the more they're going to absorb the juices of the lemon when we add it into the onion. So please take your time when you're making and slicing away your onion. You really want your onion to be nice and thin. Of course, I am using 2 onions. I'm going to transfer them into my bowl and I am going to pull them apart. This is going to take time, beautiful family, because you really want the onion to be pulled. All those little pieces of onion, you want them to separate so that when you add all the ingredients, everything is nice and separated. My eyes are crying. My makeup is running because this onion, it has character. And here I have 2 jalapenos. The jalapenos are not spicy at all, but if you want it spicy, you could add, instead of jalapenos, you could add serrano chilies. And here I'm just going to slice away nice and thin so that the jalapeno really release all the amazing earthy flavor. A little bit of spiciness, but not too much. Add it into my bowl where I have the onion. Here I have 2 garlic cloves that I want to wake up, take the skin off, and then dice it nice and small. You really want the garlic to infuse everything on this bowl. I have a small bunch of cilantro. I'm only using the stems. Look at this. I'm not going to use the leaves. We're going to put them aside, use them for another recipe. And here, add everything into the bowl. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and the juice of 4 lemons. You really want to see the lemon juice on the bottom of your bowl. So let's start mixing. This is very important. You really want everything to get really juicy, all those flavors to incorporate. So when you add your eggs, your hard-boiled eggs, it's really going to be infused with all this amazing and delicious items we have in the bowl. And now, of course, remember, a lot of lemon juice on the bottom. And now I'm going to cover it with saran wrap for about 20 minutes. The eggs are done. In the bowl, I have ice cubes, 2 cups of ice cubes, 1 cup of water, and now I am adding the hard-boiled eggs. They are nice and hot. I'm going to leave them there for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to take the water out and I'm going to start taking the skin off. It's so easy to remove the skin. when you do it and when you cook it for 15 minutes when your water is boiling. Now I'm going to rinse them really good before I add them to the pickled onion. Look at this. Don't slice them. Add them whole into the pickled onion. And you're going to put them in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes before you enjoy them. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being part of my family. I added a little more of salt right on the top, and then they're going to go into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then I'm ready to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. I really loved it. Mmm. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious egg aguachile, as I call it, or pickled eggs. Let me tell you, they come out so delicious, so amazing, that once you make them, you're going to fall in love with this recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.